My name's Darren Hartshorn, live in Cranebrook, New South Wales, and we're sort of, the electricity bills are high, you know, like you want to save a bit of money. But then now the biggest thing is battery, you know, like especially in blackouts these days. I just went to one company, Penrith Solar, and they literally looked after me. The look of the Tesla Powerwall, and it had good reviews and everything. And I thought to myself, okay, well, you know, I'll go to Penrith Solar because they're a big company. They're in Penrith. And the tradespeople, unbelievable. The boys that they sent out and the workmanship they did, oh, I'm over the moon. And I'm so glad I went with them. And even now, you know, like I went in to find out a bit more about the app, and I spoke to a guy called Daniel there, and he went through the app and he explained things, and it was just really good to learn. And I'm still learning now. I'm having days, like nights, where I'm not using from the grid, I'm running off the battery. It is really good. I went into the showroom there, and Darren was a top sales consultant and helped me, you know, went through everything, the processing and that, explained things really well so I can learn. He sent me a quote, and we got back to him a couple of days later, and we went with them. The installation, what it's going to be like, and they did everything they wanted, you know, to be done. It was perfect. I couldn't be more happy with the three boys, Dylan, Patrick, and Brad, you know, like a great bunch of blokes getting the job done. And it's perfect. They're clean, their workmanship, they're clean, but the whole way through the process, because I wanted to see what was going on, and they went through and they stopped work and explained to me how it's going to, you know, be done. And you know, when the job was finished, they go, "Are you happy?" And I said, "I was going to vacuum up." No, we're going to vacuum on the truck. We'll vacuum up any mess. They cleaned up, took all the rubbish away with them, not a problem. And then the tradesman, Patrick, who did all the main electrical work, he went through the whole process of what happens in the box, explained to me with the power, the app. We downloaded the app there and then, and it was brilliant. You know, we went through it all and explained to me how you do it. I'd recommend Penrith Solar, because it's not the thing about money, it's the quality of the care they give you. From consulting to workmanship to after sales, like, you know, they don't just palm you off, they explain things. When another company installed my inverters, they didn't explain to me how to download an app. Where the boys made sure I downloaded the app from Penrith Solar, I'd recommend to the T.